Hello, my name's Laura LaValle. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian, and I'll be presenting on the topic of best practices with diet for weight management and also for different health outcomes that you might be trying to accomplish at the same time with your clients. And the diet component is I find that a lot of physicians and practitioners feel that it's a very challenging thing to understand, to know, okay, what is going to be best? So that is really a focus for my talk, is to help you be able to decide for this client, maybe this approach would be better, but for this client, maybe this approach would be better. So you can speak in a more informed way with your clients about diet, and then that helps them understand it themselves better. And when they understand it better, I find clients are more motivated to actually follow through and do the diet. So it's selecting the best diet for your client, but also how to avoid common pitfalls. So the pitfalls can be either problems that the clients create themselves because of common mistakes that are made with different diets, what you can monitor, how you can avoid side effects. And then, some diets, even when they're properly implemented, there are side effects. So, we might want a certain diet, say a modified low carb, to help with blood sugar regulation, but there can be side effects from that. So what we can do to avoid the side effects, even from a properly implemented diet. So it's 1 hour together, and it's a lot of information. It's fast and it's furious, but it's fun. And I think you'll find it very informative. So I hope you'll join me.